The weather is changing, friends. Let me tell you one thing. Always wash your hands and keep yourself warm if the weather is cold. If it's raining, you need to stay indoor or wear parachutes or raincoats. Don't get wet, because once you get wet, you will get sick, and you don't want to get sick. Bye.